You are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. You are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring you down. Oh no, so don't you bring me down today.
Galing ko talaga kumanta, no, Naomi. Alam mo kung bakit beautiful? Kasi dahil sa isang Friendster photo na nakita ko, maganda ka dun lang. Joke lang. Happy birthday! This way, life's so control, the nights stay away. I'll be there for you. Okay, wala yan. Naomi, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon and you know, you can always call on me. What it go?
Together, I wanna show you my heart is so true and not for you. Naomi, happy birthday! Yun yung song ko kasi may special part ka sa heart ko. Alam mo yun, basta sana so ito yung song. Sorry, wala talaga akong maisip. Saka, thank you sa lahat. Happy birthday ulit! You're shining, you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. Kanta. That's what friends are for. Hi Naomi, happy 18th birthday. I wish you good health and happiness. Tsaka, sana you make the right decisions in all your undertakings. And yung C4 nandito lang para sa'yo if you have problems. And yun, happy birthday ulit.
I hope na maging masaya ka on your special day. And yun, wish ko for you good health and sana maging happy ka sa iyong new boss. Mamimiss ka namin.
Kapag hindi mo puso, wala na magagawa dito. Kapag hindi mo ang puso, lagot ka na, sigurado huli ka. Yan, kasi pababae ka, madali ka may love. O diba? Yan, di ba ko na mo? Pero ka talaga susunod. Kasi, hinay-hinay lang sa puso, baka naman mamaya may asawa ka na, may lindog ka pa rin sa iba, di ba? Itin ka na ako, kita ko na lang magkakasawa. Makapatayin ako ng Mario. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Naomi.
What will tomorrow bring? We have each other, just hold on tight. We'll take to the skies and fly.
It's short, I'll be there. Wala lang. Thank you sa lahat. Naiiyak ako.
Wala akong masabi.
Dahil sa weather?
Hindi. Basta yun lang yun. I'll be there for you. Kahit kailan. Happy birthday to you. We belong to that.
Winter, spring, summer, or fall. All you got to do is call. And I'll be there. Yes, I will. You got a friend.
Naomi, happy birthday. Sorry, hindi ako makakapunta dyan kasi basta, secret. Basta, wish ko sa'yo, sana happy ka sa horse mo, tsaka miss ka.
Naomi, happy birthday. Wish ko sana maging happy ka, tapos good luck sa lahat. May problema ka, nandito lang yung C4 for you.
Thanks. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. I will be your hero, your strength, everything you need. I will be the sun in the sky. I will let you wait for all time. Promise you, for you I will. Hi Naomi, happy birthday. I know we're not that close and I'm an adopted blockmate. But anyway, I will always be here for you. Syempre, we've known each other for almost a year. And hope that you'd be happy and that good luck sa studies and God bless. Love you. What's in your head? In your head. Somewhere.
Zombie. Pero hindi ako mukhang zombie. Si Naomi daw yung mukhang zombie. Ayun, kasi, di ba, hindi natin alam kung ano yung nasa head niya. Paiba-iba siya ng isip, pero punong-puno siya ng ideas. Yun. Kasi unpredictable siya, pero yung mga ideas niya, sobrang creative. Wala akong masabi sa kanya. Kaya nagbibigay ng boost sa barkada.
Sabihin mo naman happy birthday.
Happy birthday daw.
Can't sing without you. Can't sing without you. Can't laugh, can't sing. I find it hard to do anything. Ayun na yan. Naomi, hindi ako marunong kumanta. There, mahirap yun para sa akin. Happy birthday sa'yo. Thanks for all the favors. Kung may kailangan ka, tawag ka na lang for email.
Pas mahaba.
Right. Left. And right. Wala pa.
Galing.
Thinking of you. Can't get you out of my dreams. No. I know you're that dangerous cat. Oh yeah. Come on, man. And it's tattooed on my mind. And I can't get you out of it. On my mind, your tattoo. On my mind, your tattoo. On my mind, your tattoo. Okay lang sa'yo kasi yun nga, game ka at saka hindi ka tulad ko, nakapaka ewan.
AJ.
Ayun, so happy birthday tsaka best wishes tsaka sana hindi hindi joke lang. Sige, yun.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Kung sino ka ngang talaga.
Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo, Pinoy.